Lovita's NMN capsules offer an easy oral supplement routine with just one capsule a day. These capsules are designed to effectively increase NAD+ levels, crucial for cellular energy use and slowing down the aging process. By boosting NAD+, they stimulate DNA repair and sirtuin activity, promoting healthier cells. Our product boasts certified 99.4% pure NMN, ensuring superior absorption and effectiveness for longevity support. This formulation combines NMN with resveratrol, a powerful duo enhancing their beneficial effects. Elevating NAD+ levels is essential for cellular resilience and normal function, and Lovita's product is touted as the safest and most efficient way to achieve this. Manufactured and rigorously tested in a certified facility in California, these NMN capsules undergo triple testing to guarantee purity, free from common medications, heavy metals, or microorganisms. Veggie capsules make it suitable for vegetarian and vegan diets. These supplements not only aid in promoting DNA repair, but also in enhancing energy metabolism, cognition, and supporting healthy aging, allowing users to feel rejuvenated and potentially experience improved vitality. Unlock the power of Lovita's NMN capsules, an effortless daily boost for enhanced cellular vitality and graceful aging. Elevate your energy levels, bolster DNA repair, and rejuvenate your cells confidently, backed by certified purity and stringent testing. Embrace a vibrant life with Lovita's NMN capsules, an invitation to age gracefully while feeling your absolute best. Start your journey toward a more revitalized you today. Lovita, life is good.